Dan hari ini sebetulnya kita tidak serah terima anak-anak karena selama ini tidak ada menyerahkan, tidak ada menitip ke kita kolaborasi.
Utarakan apa yang harus saya.
Cara launching.
The story begins on May 5, 2025, the graduation day of Asim Aulas Asih arrived. Dafiq, who has a big dream of becoming a servant of the nation, a soldier, spends the entire journey thinking about how he can make his dream come true. When he arrives home, Dafiq meets his parents in the living room. He tells them that he has received an award as the best graduate. His parents congratulate him and feel extremely proud of his achievement.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Hey, my son.
Mom. Dad, Mom, this is for you.
Dad?
Dad, Mom, thank you for accompanying Dafiq until this point.
Welcome, my son. Thank you for making your father and mother proud.
Please accompany Dafiq to the next stage of my journey.
Of course, my son. That is already our duty as your parent.
Dafiq goes to his room and closes the door. He stands in front of the mirror, staring at his reflections and says,
How shall I tell Dad and Mom? My next step is to become a soldier. But I will try to talk to them tonight.
the light is dim. Dad sits quietly while Mom folds clothes. Dafiq stands hesitantly, then slowly sits down.
Dad, Mom, may I talk to you?
What is it, my son?
Since I was a child, I've always kept one dream deep inside my heart. A dream I've held tightly because I was afraid you will worry.
Just say it, my son.
I want to apply to become a soldier.
A soldier? This is the big old pet, my son.
I know, Mom. I'm scared too, Mom. But I am more afraid of living with forget for never trying.
I only want you to be safe.
Your prayers will protect me, Mom. Please allow me to take this step, even if it's slow, even if I may fall.
If one day you grow tired,
I will come home, not as someone who give up, but as a son who had the courage to try.
go, my son. But remember, this house will always be waiting for you.
While others are still fast asleep, Dafiq has already made peace with exhaustion because dreams don't wait for redundancy, they demand sacrifice.
One more lap. bellwether.
Beautiful is located not as a forward.
I will keep doing that.
Yes, stay strong, fighting.
He keeps going until he passes his girlfriend Shara's house. Shara is waiting for him in front of the house.
40, 41, 42.
Come here. Let's go in.
Yes, Mom!
After finishing his run in the early morning on the front porch of his house under the bright weather, David immediately continues with his next training.
Everything was fine then.
Stay strong, my son. This is definitely not easy, but Mom believes you. You can through all of this.
Of course, Mom. Please keep praying for me.
Of course, my son.
Alright, now it's time to SIU. I will have energy for your training.
Okay, Mom.
You ready? It's your turn.
Okay.
Are you okay?
Okay.
Let's go.
Go.
Fighting. Fighting, okay?
Hello bro, are you free tomorrow? Let's work out together.
Let's go, bro.
Together.
Yeah, you can be the greatest, you can be the best, you can be the King Kong banging on your chest.
You could beat the world, you could beat the war. You could talk to God, go banging on his door.
You can throw your hands up, you can beat the clock. You can move a mountain, you can break rocks.
You could be a master, don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself and you gon' find yourself.
Standing in the hall of fame,
Yeah,
and the world's gonna know your name.
yeah.
'Cause you burn with the brightest flame.
Long-awaited day has arrived. With his heart pounding, David steps into the registration center. Dreams meet reality, and the real test is about to begin.
Hei, Casis, sini dulu kamu. Siap. Sini, berdiri. Kamu kemana? Kamu lewat sini nggak nyapa yang jaga lagi. Kamu kira apa ini? Hah? Mau kemana kamu?
Siap, pergi session.
Welcome. Sit down.
What's your name?
David Prastiana.
Model.
Hey, 117.
117. Wait.
60. Finish with the form. This is your number. Please wait for your turn for physical test.
Thank you, sir.
The first step has been taken. Nervousness and fear overwhelmed David, but none of it compares to the determination rooted in his heart. David goes through the entire selection process. Then comes the day of the announcement. The officer calls out the numbers of those who pass. David waits for his number to be called, his body trembling, his heart racing, his emotion makes it.
102.
The final number is
117.
David's number is never mentioned.
Which here is a
He does
failure.
not pass this time. Confused, weak, and unsure of what to do, David returns home violent with disappointment and despair.
I may have failed today, but I will not stop. I will rise again, over and over, until this dream becomes reality.
I'm sorry. I failed.
It's okay, my son. Failing today is not the end of everything. You can still try again. Stay strong, okay?
Okay, Mom.
He steps forward once again, not without fear, but with a belief stronger than before.
Be careful, my son. Whatever the result is, we always support you.
Let's go. Thank you.
Where are you going, Pete? What? Didn't you already fail?
How many hectares of land do you even have? Poor people dream too much.
Yeah, you are just becoming burden to your parents.
I have tried over and over again. I came with the same hope and returned with the same answer. Failure not because I don't want to fight, but because my strength is slow running out. Maybe it is time for me to stop chasing a dream that keeps drifting farther away.
You have failed so many times. Why keep trying? Still forcing yourself?
Yeah, just find a job. Don't dream too hard.
Poor thing, but so stubborn.
Failure is ordinary. What is extraordinary is the courage to rise again.
Thank you, Auntie.
Hi. I've heard what people have been saying.
Sometimes I feel not tired, not physically, but in my heart.
If you stop because you're exhausted, I understand, but don't stop because of firewood.
He doesn't rise with shouts, he rises in silence. Every insult becomes his strength. Every failure becomes a lesson. Day by day, step by step.
I can do it. I don't know what the result will be, Dad. But this time, I have made peace with myself.
Air mata jatuh di dermaga tanpa katong tak bisa. Ombak subawa jauh, 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 tapi nona yang putar balik.
Chest number 116, David Prastiana.
Bro, that's you.
Which here is a success. Congratulations.
You think it's easy? You think I don't wanna run to you, yeah. But there are mountains, and there are doors that we can walk through. I know you're wondering why, because you're able to be just you and me within these walls. But when we go outside, you're gonna wake up and see that it was hopeless after.
Dad! Mom!
Salatri acan sangu. Lumayan lah.
Baunya.
Dia mah udah bener. Love buat bapak-bapak penrem.